So you want to shake it good, agitate it. Don't be afraid of it. And what you want to do is get this material so it comes to the edge of your pan. Do not pour it out of your pan. You don't want to pour your material. What you want to do is get that right to the edge of your pan, and then you want to do like a rocking motion back and forth so that the water washes the top, you know, the light material off. And basically that's how you want to do it. And then you want to repeat the process. Get it back down in your pan, agitate it, really shake it good. Kind of let the pan sit right on the water so you're not holding the weight. And just give her a good shake. And then bring it back over to the edge again. Those riffles will trap your gold. You know, the gold will be sitting on the bottom and the riffles will trap it. And you do it again. That rocking motion. Or you can do a back and forth motion like this. Little wave action there, which pulls that light material right out of the pan. You don't want to get crazy with that so that it's pulling everything out. You just want to wash off the top. Bring it back down. Do it again. We'll bring it right to the edge of the pan. You want to get it down to a couple of teaspoons of material. Get that down there. Shake it good, agitate. Get that gold on the bottom. Just pull that light material off the top. Nice back and forth motion. One hand. You can use two hands if you wish, whatever you're comfortable with. When it starts getting down, I like to tip the pan a little bit, agitate, and then bring it down to the edge. Nice back and forth. I like to get that material so it's kind of level right across the riffles, and then I'll work on cleanup. Get her down there. I'll agitate it one more time here. I see a big rock in here. Bigger rock, I'll just pick that out. There ain't no gold on it, so I'll throw it away. And just bring that right down to the edge. Nice back and forth. Nice action there. Nice little wave action going. I'm starting to see some black magnetite, and that's a good sign. That's what you want to, you know, kind of look for. And then what I'll do is I'm going to bring it over to the edge of the pan, and I'm going to work that down for my final cleanup, my final finish. And same way, but very gently, you know, move it out to the edge. You don't want to do it quick where your gold's going to slide right out. And then you want to do that same kind of back and forth motion so it creates a little wave action, or it pulls the light material off the top around the edges. And you bring it back, agitate, same process, and you just get her down, keep getting her down. You don't want a lot of material left behind in your pan, because that just kind of gets in the way when you're looking for your gold. So we want to get that down. good shaking, good agitating. Pull that light stuff right out of there. You don't want to be washing out your magnetite at this point. You want to try and keep that in the pan. That's where your gold is going to be sitting in, along with that. We're getting down there nice. I can see the magnetite there. I'll get her down just a little bit more. As you can see, I don't know if you can see this here, but you can see magnetite back here, the lighter sand coming right to the edge. And that's what you want. You want to keep your magnetite in the pan at this point. When you start seeing that, just pull that right out, the light sand. It is. Give her a little more shake. But it's getting down there pretty good now. You don't want a lot of material left in there. This is good, like that. And then you have just a little bit of water in there so that, you know, it'll wash over the top of what's up in here. And I'll show you. You want to kind of just gently swirl it around there so it starts pulling the magnetite and the sand down. There will be some sand left in there, and you should have a nice flow of your magnetite going down this way, and you'll see gold in here. You should go for a nice little smile in here. And so it kind of spreads that material out. So, and your gold, if you're doing it nice and gently, your gold's going to stay right there. And if you're doing it too hard, it'll wash your gold down. So, you know, at first you might have to go through it a couple of times in order to find your gold. But, you know, you keep on practicing, you'll get really good at it. You'll get a good eye for seeing gold. And basically you just keep swirling that around so you have nothing left up here. You know, and your gold would have, you know, shown up there. And at the very end of it, you want to pick it up. You know, you got some fine gold, gold dust. You might want to use a snuffer bottle, and it contains water, and you just squirt it in, you know, dipping it kind of like so it's in the water, and then you just suck your gold up with one of these. Or, you know, the bigger ones, you may want to use a pair of tweezers, stick it right in your gold vial, and that's pretty much all there is to panning. So I just want to wish you good luck. Stick with it. You will get it. If you look for gold, you're going to find it. So till we meet again, good luck and goodbye.